Hello folks, hope you're having a great day. I wanted to bring you up to speed on the celery that I've been trying to grow. Now all I did was placed a bunch of celery seeds in these pots way back in early August of this year. So it was pretty hot. They went ahead and germinated anyway. I have them on my pool deck in the understory so they don't get that much sunlight at all. But they're not doing that bad. I'm pretty surprised that they even did anything and that they're still surviving. So it is to my understanding they need to, be pretty, the soil needs to be pretty moist and that it needs to be cooler outside. Well, it hasn't even dipped down into the low 70s the entire time these things have been alive. So I'm really curious to see what happens with these going forward. It is now late September 2021, and we'll see if the cooler weathers bring about a different behavior in these celery. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated and have a good day.